Want to know how to reset your Instagram algorithm and how does it work? Resetting your Instagram algorithm can help improve your experience on the platform by tailoring your feed and recommend more accurately to your interest. The Instagram algorithm uses machine learning to analyze your activity on the app and personalize your experience. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to reset your Instagram algorithm. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see your Instagram profile. At the top right, tap on the hamburger icon. Likewise, scroll down to the What You See section and tap on the Suggested Content option. The Reset Suggested Content option may not be available in all the regions, so the alternative way to reset your Instagram algorithm is to go to the More Info and Support section and tap on the Help. Select the report or problem at the top and briefly explain about the problem regarding resetting your Instagram algorithm. After writing the problem, tap on the Send button at the top right corner of your screen. An Instagram Help Center will solve it within few days. So this is how to reset your Instagram algorithm. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.